Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anika. So today we are here to talk about internal medicine from I've referred Harrison's mostly. So yeah, today's topic is about ECG leads. So we know that electrocardiograph gives a graphical representation of the electric potential of the heart. Now about ECG leads. Okay, so basically the ECG, the plane is divided into the frontal plane and the horizontal plane. Now we're going to talk about the horizontal leads. Okay, so the horizontal leads include the 6-7 and they are placed as such. V1 is placed on the right side, right towards the right of the sternum in the fourth intercostal space. V2 is placed on the left side towards the left of the sternum in the fourth intercostal space. V3 is placed between V2 and V4, and from V2 to V6 all of them are placed towards the left side. So V4 is placed on the mid clavicular line, right? From that down here we place V4 and V3 is placed in between V2 and V4. So basically somewhere over here. Now V5 is placed on the anterior axillary line, okay, and the V6 is placed on the mid axillary line. This is how the horizontal plane leads are placed. Now about the frontal plane leads. The frontal plane leads are named as AVG, that is augmented vector, not AVG, AVL augmented vector left, AVF augmented vector foot, and AVR augmented vector right. And there's 1, 2, 3 also. So basically there are actually 12 leads in ECG and 10 electrodes. Now about the frontal leads. Now about the frontal leads, you have is augmented vector. It's actually you draw a circle and then all of these are polar structures. They have a potential, and then the first, second and the third lead, they are bipolar, and augmented vector fourth, left and right are unipolar, and all the horizontal lead vectors are also unipolar. So basically they are placed like this. Mostly they are placed from the upper shoulder to the elbow region, and if they are placed, if one of them, if the frontal plane lead is one of them is placed on the wrist, the other one is also placed on the wrist. You can't place one on the wrist and one over here. They have to be placed uniformly. And so yeah, basically yeah, you have 6 leads there and total 12 electrodes. So over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 mostly, and then 1, 2 and 2 on your foot, 2 each on, no, 1 each on the foot. So that's how it's placed. And you should always know, you should never measure any of these from the nipples. A lot of people do that, and that's wrong because the location of the nipple varies. So now about, yeah, as I said, augmented vector, foot and left and right, all of them are you place them in the frontal plane. So in the frontal plane, the structure, you measure everything from the first lead, that's 0 degree, and then as I said, they have a negative, they're bipolar structures, just the first, second and third lead. So the 0 over here there's 180 degree, and that's the -1 lead. So but then we just take the values of first, second and third lead, and usually the values for the a normal the augmented vector foot value and augmented vector left value are positive, and the augmented vector right value is negative for a normal ECG. So that's about it. Thank you.